How to check for a software update or system update on your stock Android 15. Different Android devices have slightly different setting to check for the software update or a system update on your phone. In the stock Android 15 or any other Pixel device running Android 15, open the app drawer on your Pixel device or any other Android 15. Tap the settings app. Here you can search the setting for a system update or software update or manually check. Scroll down. Find the system option on your device. Tap on the system. Again scroll down. Here you can find the software update option. You can also search this on your search setting. Now tap the software update. Here you can see two update: system update, app update. Tap on the system update on your phone to check whether the system update is available or not. Now here you can see the Android version 15, Android security update 5 November. Tap on the check for update at the bottom right corner to check if available update. Updates are temporary, so make sure internet is working on your device to check for a update on your device. When internet is start, now again tap the check for update button. Now checking for the update, and you can see the system is updated. If available update, then download and install it on your Android device. That's it. Please like it, share it.